Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing, Trevi Court, Unit 4714. This is the Antonia floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos here at Treviso Bay, Naples, Florida. This is a non-golf unit, so you don't have any additional fees towards the golf membership. And this Antonia is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,200 square foot of living space condo here. So let's walk in and take a look. As soon as you come in, you've got the foyer entry, and on the left you've got the kitchen. You've got an eat-in kitchen space right here, and you've got the U-shaped kitchen here with the wood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless appliance package. You've got a pantry there, and this all overlooks your main living space. Now coming back towards the main entry and the hallway, to the right will be the guest bath, guest bedroom, and a linen closet. So we'll start with the guest bedroom here. It sits towards the front of the unit. You've got the bifold style closet doors. And then we've got the guest bath right over here with the single sink, the commode. You've got your combination tub and shower. And then you also have the washer and dryer, the laundry facility right here within the guest bath, with a rack for additional storage above. And then coming out into the main area here, you've got your dining space here. You do have room at the bar for additional seating. Then you've got your living area here. Typically your TV would be located right here. That's where your outlet is. And this all overlooks your view of the lake here and the preserve in the back. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Last but not least, on the inside, you've got the master bedroom here. Nice size master, plenty of room for a king size suite. You've got 2 closets here. So nice walk-in style closets on either side. There's one, and here's the second here. Then you've got the master bath with the single sink, the commode, and then also you have a stand-alone shower here in this one, which does wrap around the back a little bit further, so it's a little larger than it looks here on the video. And you've got a linen closet here as well. And last but not least, we're going to take a look at the beautiful views from this condo. You've got a south-facing rear exposure here, and you've got the beautiful view of the Rookery Bay Preserve and the long lake as well, which wraps around Trevi Court. Alright, so this unit here is being offered partially furnished like you see it. You're more than welcome to make an offer with all the furnishings, or buy it vacant and make your own choices as far as furniture packaging. Alright guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching. Talk to you soon.